Hi everyone, it's June the 9th, 2019, and this is the beginning of our construction process here at Victoria. Right now we're looking at the 5680 building as they're removing the wall covering on the upper part of our walls. This is on the third floor of the 5680 building. And it's a fairly easy job. It was easier than they thought it was going to be to take it down. It's just a lot of wall covering that has to be removed. And they've done a pretty nice job of it. We have a really good general contractor that's hands-on, is here constantly to make sure that everything's going okay and that his subs are doing a really great job. Coming up on the next phase of the video is you'll see them taking down the chair rail, and the chair rails are coming down between the actual units, but they will remain in between the section. So here you will notice where the door is on the left hand side. He's going to take that chair rail down, but then it will remain until you get to the next section. It's going to give it a very clean look and identify each unit. This next video coming up is the hallway as it looks actually today, June the 9th, 2019. And here we go. So if you're on the second floor and you're walking down towards the end, towards the elevator on the west side of the building, that's how your hall would look. So if you're up north right now, probably a good place to be. It isn't very noisy, but here we are downstairs in the 5680 first floor area. As you can see, they've taken some of the drywall out, taken the window out of the original office where our library is today. Here's where the window was, of course, into the library. We're going to move into the next section of the 5680 first floor building, and you'll notice back there we replaced a little bit of drywall. Either it was uneven or it couldn't be smoothed out appropriately, so they replaced it. And as we pan down here to the left, you'll see how smooth the walls have gotten after they've done the work on them, and there's another piece that's been replaced. So wherever there's drywall that we had issues with, that we felt we couldn't work with, we had it cut out and put a new piece in so that it will be totally nice and smooth and neat when it's finished. Again, we're looking at where the chair rails have been removed, and you see where they're still there. They are removed between the doorways. Now we're over in the 5670 building. This is a hallway that is under construction right now. This is on the first floor, looking down towards where Gina used to live. Not Gina Grove. Sorry about that, Gina. And this floor has been completed. The walls have been completely sanded down, and all the new drywall has been put in and replaced. It's another shot at them now after they have been painted. Or actually, they haven't been painted yet, but they've been totally sanded down and prepared to be painted. I guess this is the first coat of paint that goes on it before they put the actual color on the walls. So we're making really good progress. I would say we're not ahead of schedule or behind schedule, but we're pretty much right on schedule, and that's a good thing. And for you folks that may have forgotten what we're all about, you'll notice this is the back of our building, or the front, however you want to look at it, looking at the ocean. And I will give you a shot each time I do these videos of our beautiful ocean and beaches. As you can see, we have a little bit of seaweed going on out here. which will eventually take care of itself. But right now our beaches are looking really good. As I say, this is Sunday, June the 9th, 2019, and I'll keep the videos coming. And as I have more things to show you, I'll try to keep them 5 minutes or less so that you won't take up a great deal of your time. We hope you enjoy them, and we'll keep you informed. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email to roncrider@gmail.com or give me a call, 772-913-2209. Have a great day.